It's my pleasure to welcome you all today as we celebrate the many recent enhancements to the historic Agua Mansa Pioneer Cemetery.
This site is really important because it's the only remnant of the earliest non-native settlement that was actually in the area.
The San Bernardino County staff went out and got a grant for $500,000 for this project. As you saw today at the event, there was many family members that have loved ones that are buried here. So making sure that we preserve the dignity of the families here was very, very important.
This cemetery had been closed since the early 1960s and it had suffered a lot of damage. Thank you, Supervisor Baca, for taking the lead, saving this place.
The improvements include a brand new drive, new entrance monuments, a new entrance gate, and the preservation of about 14 tombstones. It's really an amazing place for people to come from all over San Bernardino County and learn about their rich history.
Long before there were towns of Riverside or San Bernardino, the communities of Agua Mansa, La Placita de los Trujillos, San Salvador were here. This is their final resting place.